people, welcome to KG Izog Festival 2022. To be frank, this has been recorded as the largest cultural festival in Africa. You cannot compare it with any other singular cultural festival in Africa. This is the largest and the most entertaining. We are here at Izogo on the 1st of May 2022. You can see masquerade. I bet you when you, or if you want to count the masquerade, yeah, you will get them more than 500. And the people that have gathered here to celebrate it on this day of 1st of May 2022, there are more than 5,000 people on the ground. Ikeji Izog, the most entertaining cultural festival in Africa, the most entertaining cultural festival in Nigeria, the most entertaining cultural festival in Imo State. It is deep rooted in culture, tradition, and masquerading. You can see every man here is a masquerade of himself. Every woman here is a masquerade of herself. Every person that has come here is a masquerade of their own or themselves. I bet you there is no dulling moment here. Everybody is busy parading themselves as masquerade. You can see as number the people you can see here. They also make up the number of masquerade that have come here. I never knew before now that every family in Izogo has a masquerade of their own. Or even every man in Izogo has a masquerade of his own. Today I've witnessed it. This is my first time of coming to the KG Izog Festival, witnessing it. I'm happy I'm here live and direct. Nobody will tell me stories about it anymore. I've witnessed it myself. Ikeji Izog Festival 2022. Happening live at Kenwa Konyuche. I don't know, I cannot pronounce the name of this village correctly or the way it must or it should sound, but this is Izogo. This part of Izogo is located in Onimo, in Imo State. I just found out that Izogo, you can also see or find Izogo people or people of Izogo in Idato, in the same Imo State. You can also locate the people of Izogo in Okigwe, the same Imo State. But here today, we are at Onimo. Another place you can see or discover the abode of the people of Izogo. The people of Izogo Ancient Kingdom are distributed among 3 local governments, among 3 regions in Imo State, Onimo, Idato, and Okigwe. And we are here live at Onimo, where this event is taking place today on the 1st of May 2022. It is an amazing sight to see young and old dancing to the tune of melodious masquerade beatings. I tell you, it is something no one should miss. This is fantastic. This is what we call culture to its root. Culture to its root. This is culture. This is tradition. This is synonymous to the people of Izog and Igbo and Biafra in general. I never knew a single cultural celebration or event can even hold a capacity of people who are more than 5,000 and 500 masquerade parading at the same time on the same ground. It is something we should try to keep, a culture that should not die, a culture that we have to reserve, we have to preserve, we have to carry along till ages and ages and ages. I'm very happy to be part of this day event. Izogo Festival, Ikeji Izuagu Festival 2022. This is my first time of coming to witness this. I've been hearing stories about this cultural events many years, even when I was a kid, when I was about 10 years old or 8 years old. People tell me about the Ikeji Izuagu Cultural Festival. I've been longing for the day I will witness it, and that opportunity has surfaced today. I'm here live and direct. On behalf of the Lion Gate Masquerade TV, I come to report for them. I'm the chief reporter for Lion Gate Masquerade TV, coming to report or to take home the events of today, how it went and how it will go. I am very happy to be among the people of Izuagu Asian Kingdom to celebrate with them the 2022 Ikeji Izuagu Cultural Festival. My name is Ikeji McDonald. You can see the two names have gone cross with each other. Ikeji Izuagu and Ikeji McDonald. I'm here